Hi everyone, welcome to Tara's Take, or welcome back. Today is our launch of the Floral Beauties kit, and actually it's just Floral Beauty, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It is 18 pages of background pages, and I believe 15 pages, I'll have to count as we go, of fussy cuts. Okay, so let's get started. So here's the first page. As you can see, we have a beautiful young lady reaching out to us. Nice script and beautiful florals all around. And this one is one of my favorites out of the kit, this page particularly. I don't know, I just love the way it came together, and it was so much fun to make this. So look at her, isn't she gorgeous? It's gonna be such, and the way it's set, you know, you've got this beautiful page on the right and then this beautiful page on the left. It's just gonna be a really pretty background for your journal. And then here we have more of a yellow theme. You know, I've noticed something I am still learning and getting my style down, I guess you could say, but I have noticed one thing. I tend to be more of a theme person than sticking to like one particular image throughout or one particular color throughout, and I'm gonna have to try and work on that aspect as well. But I do enjoy doing these kits where you get like this full array of a theme, but all these different color schemes, different faces to look at, different pieces to look at. Like this one's a mason jar, you know, on this desk, and then we have the mail here, and just the yellow roses all around, and then the yellow background coming forward after the pink. So, but they all flow together because it's all geared around the beauty of the flowers, you know. So anyway, this is another one of my favorites. I love these images and these flowers and the colors of them. It's almost an aqua color, but it's still a blue. I just really love it. Love it. It's got some pink, some peach. You have a little bit of everything. There's even some lavender here in the bushes by the house. And then this one is more focused on the peach colors throughout. A few white over here in the corners. I love the feather pin. I think that's a lot of fun. I'm sorry about my neighbor's dog barking in the background if you can hear him. That is Charlie Brown. I've introduced him to you guys before. He's a little sweetheart though. Big Doberman, big red Doberman. He's gorgeous. Unclipped ears. He still has his ears, so he's not quite as intimidating. And then this one here is a little brighter scheme with the pinks and her beautiful blue dress that matches the blue and the flowers. Okay. These are fun. These next two are very similar to each other, I think, in their color scheme and in the young ladies that I chose to use. As you can see, the pinks and the peaches and the pink. And this almost looks like it's a hat. It's not though, it's a flower behind her head. But it looks like it is when you first look at it. And then here I did some doubling up, and I brought the color from the back into her face, so it's not just a black, it's kind of a greenish, where it's almost like she's transparent to the colors that are within that particular part of the image. I liked it. I thought it was kind of a fun way to make her stand out. And these next two I really love, with this woman reading in the background of, you know, just bushes of flowers, and she almost looks like she's out in the sunlight. I like that. I think it turned out really pretty. But this is probably my favorite of the two. I just love the way this one looks. I think it's beautiful. I really enjoyed doing this kit. I hope you guys enjoy making some journals from it, and will share your work with me so I can see. This one I went a little bit darker because she was just such a lovely woman, and I thought it'd be beautiful to have her coming out from, you know, from a deeper color because of her hair color and everything. So I went ahead and made this a darker scheme. One thing you'll notice in this kit, I didn't use any grunging tactics really. I left it pretty clean. I didn't do any edgings or any of that. If there's anything in there, like on this next one, there's a little bit of lines. It's from the images that I used to create the page itself. Isn't she beautiful? She looks like a Hollywood movie star from the 1920s. And then this one, there's a few bit of grungy. I did not add that. That came with one of the images that I chose to layer into this scene. So yeah, that's from that. But it makes her look very antique, don't you think? And I love her hat. I think it's just beautiful. And this one's more of a drawing of the woman instead of a more literal sense of the picture. But it's kind of got an ethereal feeling about it, like it's at night. There's almost like stars in the background, you know, and she appears to be almost ethereal, I would think. But the colors are more of a rust, and the peachy, more yellow colors are even deeper. This is one of my favorite pages. I made one of the things we did the other day. Where is it? Here it is. We made this together the other day, and that was from this page. For our Mass Monday, our triple pockets. Yeah. So that is it in action at work. Okay, and then this is the fussy cut part. So these are journal cards, nice big journal cards for you, where you get parts of the scenes. There we go. I think these are so beautiful. I just love these images so much. Look at that one. Isn't she pretty on there? That's a tag. This page is 6 tags, so there's 4 journal cards on that page. Let's see, 2 pages, so you get 8 of the large journal cards, 6 tags. Then there's these smaller tags that are more like your little ticket type cards, and then we have some bigger ones here that are rounded that you can make pockets off of. Okay. And then these are pockets here. Oops, I grabbed the wrong one. Okay, this has an error on it that I fixed and have redone this. I guess maybe I didn't reprint the page. Let me look here in my... I guess I didn't reprint it, or maybe it's here and I just added it in. I don't know. Nope. Okay, well, this has been corrected. Okay, that line right there is not there. Everything that's on here has been corrected that needed correcting. So, okay, so that's not going to have any mistakes on it. And then here's another page of pockets and a small envelope. So you have the 4, let's see, you have 4 pockets on that page, 4 of the rounder pockets on this page, 1 small envelope, 1 large envelope. I actually folded this last night for myself. I'm looking on my desk really quick to see if I can find it. I don't know, it's buried here somewhere. Oh wait, maybe I found it. Here it is. There it is, folded up. So that's it, folded up. Okay. I didn't. Oh yeah, I did coffee dye it. Never mind. I coffee dyed the inside. So that's a nice big envelope there. And then we have 3 banners, and then we have 3 tall journal cards. Tall, skinny. That could be small belly bands if you wanted them to be as well. Then we have some circles, which I love to have on. I just love to play with those. And then we have 2 here, and then 6 more of the journal cards. So that's 8 more of the journal cards. So you get 16 journal cards. And these could also be pockets. And I left a little frame around them. I made them with a little frame that can be distressed. But, you know, I love frames, so I thought it'd look cool on there. And then here we have 4 tuck spots. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 18 stamps, okay, for decorating. They look so pretty as stamps, don't they? I should make a stamp kit. And then here's some fun. These are the houses. This is some of the houses that are in, one of them is in one of the pictures. But I went ahead and added these as fussy cuts. You could kiss cut them or fussy cut them. And then here's a page of, we have some just little things. We got hearts, ribbons, flowers. These are all butterflies. These are all things taken from the kit. I think these two are extra and this is extra. It's not in the main background pages, but I thought it went well. You know, this guy here went well with the kit, the window. We got a couple of mason jars here, and then again here, okay, there's our little the flowers in the jar that are in that one pick. And then we got a little bit bigger, we got some books over here, but everything's centered around flowers, or you know, the florals, or things that are within our kit, so they all match up. Okay, so this is going to be I think it's 4 or 5. You know what, it depends on if Etsy allows me, if I have enough room in my zip folders to do 4. I'm going to do 4. But if it happens to be 5, that's okay. So anyway, you get 18 main pages, and then you get, let's count these really quick. You get 1, I think it's 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. Oh, I guess it's 14. I was thinking it was 15. Anyway, so you get all that, and also wanted to let you know this is the free members only platinum level kit that will be going to any members who join in December. Okay, so every month I give platinum members, along with all the other perks that you get, you also get a free kit. You get a video that's done just for you guys, and you also get your badge, you get shout outs, you get what else is it? I gotta remember. Got a list of stuff. You get you get early viewing of videos. Yeah, so it's a lot of fun, and I hope you guys will think about joining as members. And if you aren't a member of our family, that you'll subscribe to the channel and become a member of Tara's Take. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this kit as much as I had fun just designing it. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow or in the next video. God bless. Bye-bye.